I'm on the floor here so I can show you this. It's just a bolt with some nuts on there. And we're going to use this to lift this desk. Okay, and I'm actually going to use this too. Here's its PVC pipe. So the idea of this is that as I turn the nut, it moves this way. And this can be used to make a simple machine, a screw type simple machine. The idea is that I can apply a small force and make this move, and the force moving a large distance around, and that will give a large force over a short distance. That's the idea behind every simple machine. So in this case, I have a nut and I have a washer, and I want to have something that I can put on top of that doesn't fit through. This doesn't fit perfectly. I just found something, and so just to show you that non-perfect things work. So what I'm going to do is, as I turn this nut, it'll push this up, and I can lift this thing. And yes, it's going to actually work. Okay, so here, I'm going to start by just hand tightening it, and then here. Now, this is going to want to move a little bit. So I'm going to have it right next to this thing, which might make it hard to tighten. Okay, now the other thing is when I tighten this bolt, this one, the bottom one's going to want to move, so I need to hold that one down. And I shouldn't have put these bottom washers on there, but okay, so that's going to hold that. And here we go. Let's lift the desk. Let's see. I know you probably can't see. I'm still doing Okay, I'm going to stop here because this is actually pulling up the tile. There, it's the, there. There, now it's unstuck it. So I did, in fact, lift up the desk. It wasn't simple, but I did it. And this is exactly the same way most car jacks work, except that the screw goes this way and pushes things apart that way. The same idea. So there's your simple jack.